So, you might be wondering how to exactly fix the tire pressure sensor fault on your Ford Explorer. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, first things first is you want to check and inflate all tires correctly. So, start with the basics here. Use a tire gauge and inflate all four tires to the pressure listed on the driver's side door sticker. Now, don't forget the spare if your Explorer has a TPMS sensor in it, so one low tire can trigger the warning. Now, you want to go and just drive to let the system relearn it. So after inflating the tires, drive for at least like 10 to 15 minutes at normal speed. Sometimes the TPMS just needs time to update and the warning will clear on its own. Now, if the warning stays on, the sensors may need to be relearned. So, on many Explorer models, this is done through the dashboard menu or by cycling the ignition and using the hazard lights or brake pedals. Now, depending on the year. Now, during relearn, the vehicle reconnects to each tire sensor. Now, also you may want to check for a weak or dead sensor battery. So TPMS sensors have built-in batteries that usually last 5 to 7 years. Now, if one battery is fading, the system will show a sensor fault instead of a low pressure. A tire shop can quickly scan and identify which sensor is bad. And you may want to inspect tires and wheels for recent changes. Now, if you recently rotated tires, replaced wheels, or installed winter tires, the system may be confused or a sensor could have been damaged. So, this almost always requires a relearn or sensor replacement. Now, also, you may want to look for visible damage or to valve stems or signs of corrosion. So, cold weather, road salt, or impact damage can interfere with sensor signals and trigger faults. Now, if the warning still won't clear after correct pressure and relearn, well, a fault sensor or control module may be the cause. Now, at that point, a scan tool or dealership visit is recommended. And that's about it. So, hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.